at you today with a little bit of an unplanned video. You saw in some of our other videos up the farm, we had a big ugly camper in the background and we talked about it a couple times, but long story short, the camper was given to me, I guess 3 or 4 years ago now. An elderly couple had it at the lake and just didn't use it anymore. Said, you know, if you want it, you can have it. So, sure, sounds like a great idea. So we drag it up there, get it set up. It was nice. It was decent. You put anything in the field and you just can't keep the animals out of it. Had rats like crazy. Rats got in the roof. You know, wasper's nest here and there. The last straw for me was a big, huge snake skin, which you'll see in a video in a minute. Maybe it wasn't as big as I thought it was. But regardless, we used it, I think, literally once, and that was it. It was fun, but it just didn't. I don't know. We strive for a more permanent structure up there. So this is step one, getting it out of the way. We found somebody that can use it, so we're going to move it there. Jeremy's already up there with him right now. I'm running late from work, so not sure how much footage we'll actually get of dragging the old girl out, but she served us well, but I'm glad to see her gone. It'll make a big flat field. And we'll decide where later on we're going to pour a concrete pad and put a permanent structure at. So let's get up here and hopefully they've got all the work done by the time I get there.
Oh, man.
So how do you feel about the camper leaving?
This is your worst idea ever, dragging this thing in here.
Your worst idea of volunteering is to drag it out of here.
Huh?
Your worst idea of volunteering is to drag it out of here.
So you want it out of here. I want it gone. You want it gone. Make room for our next big mistake, whatever that is.
Yeah, it's true.
Folks, we're gonna have to take a block out.
I don't think you just lost connection.
Come on, seriously?
Yeah. Well, there she goes. He's on his way out of here with her. It's going to be, I don't know, storage and then probably taken apart maybe at some point to be a frame for another trailer or something. I don't know. It's gone from here. That's all that matters.